I think Trilogy is about exploration because you have a chance now, the freedom to do things that you maybe haven't been able to try before.
Trilogy offers a lot in the way of exploration here. I'm getting involved with painting and art classes.
It gives you opportunity to expand. It gives you opportunity to be engaged in events and travel.
It's trying new things. We're doing things that we haven't done before.
There's virtually everything that you could think of is here to explore and cultivate for yourself.
I've been very surprised about the culture and how much you can learn here.
There's spin and sculpt classes, and there's yoga classes, and there's Tai Chi classes, and there's just all kinds of classes.
This community affords you opportunities and avenues into everything and anything that might be important in your life.